Hello, this is Jeremy Port. This is Lab 2 for the Artificial Intelligence class. My student ID is 101367286. I'm going to be reading over these requirements to show what I have done in the code. So, to start, I have my GitHub repository here, and I have Lab2 right here. As you can see inside of it, there's no VS folder to keep the file size smaller, and I have all the files here. And the two professors are added as collaborators as well, so you can see here. So I'll hop right into the code itself. What I started to do first was to change the scene state when the game starts to play scene, and the first requirement was to remove all game objects as well as UI elements, and as you can see here, there is no more UI or game objects, as well as in the playscene.cpp. They were all right here. They're not here anymore. Then I had to add a target into the playscene. So I include target.h, I define the target here, and I add it here. And then also, it's able to move with the slider, so I changed the variables here for target, and changed the float to a float2. Next requirement was to make a starship.h and a starship.cpp using the target.h and target.cpp. So here is starship. I removed some of the extra functions that we didn't need from target, and they're not included here, but everything works fine. So here is the header file for starship, and here's the code file. And as you can see here, these two aren't used for now, but these ones are, and you can see using the ncl.png, which was added later on into the files, and everything is for the starship. And I can show the code running. As you can see, here is the target and the ship, and if I open up the IMGUI window, I can move the target with the slider, just like that. So, to go through the document on Office, I completed 100% of the project, stated from that, and these requirements here. So, thank you.